Hello, ma'am and sir. Good morning. My name Mona Luna Lupis, 45 years old, single, and I live in General Santos City. I worked Singapore before as a domestic helper from 2012 to 2020. My main duty is taking care of elderly women, include cleaning, cooking, marketing, and laundry. And the second, I worked in Hong Kong before from 2022 to 2024. My main duty is taking care of elderly two couple, 79 and 83 years old, include cleaning, cooking, marketing, laundry, and other errands. To my future employer, please choose me as your domestic helper because I am honest, hardworking, patient, and I'm excited to meet you soon. Thank you.